Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So now I am going to show how to scrub with a coffee powder on your face. Now I am showing you the coffee scrub. Okay, now we want for that you just have to do one thing. Before watching with this video, you have to just subscribe my channel. Okay, and we want the sugar scrub, coffee scrub, we want some ingredients. So for that I will show you that whatever we want that ingredient. First of all, we want some sugar and we want some coffee powder and some oil. Okay, and have to take one empty cup and take some sugar, two tablespoons of sugar, and take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, and you have to just mix it like this, and take some oil. Okay, you just have to mix it, 2 tablespoons of oil. If you want more oil you can take, it doesn't matter, and you have to just prepare like this. If you want more sugar, if you want to scrub anywhere more, you can take the more sugar, and if you want more coffee powder you can take the coffee, and you can take, if it's not enough the oil you can take more oil also. So it's not enough to me, so I'm just taking more half spoon of oil. Okay, I'll just completely mix it really good and well. So I'm just applying to face, but I'm not applying to face, I'm just scrubbing to my hand. You just have to take like this, and you have to scrub it on your face, like wherever you have a blackheads and a whiteheads. Okay, you have to just completely scrub like this. You will not get any effects. Apply on this mixture on a face and scrub it gently. Scrub on your face up to 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, if you want more you can take more, and you have to just scrub it up to it melts the sugar. Okay, after scrubbing you have to wait up to 3 to 4 minutes and take wet towel. So I'm scrubbing like this up to 3 or 4 minutes. From this you will not get any effects. You can do this weekly 3 times, means twice 2 days once. Okay, you have to just scrub it and it will get smoothly shiny and whiten. Okay, you will not get any problem from this. You have to just scrub it with the sugar wherever you have the white hairs and the black hairs. Okay, actually already I'm completed my scrubbing, so have to scrub like this up to 3 to 4 meters, and I'm just washing my hands. So after scrubbing completely on my hand, means on your face, you have to wait up to 3 or 4 minutes and take a wet towel and you have to remove this. Now you can wash your hand and see the difference. See, now it's become a soft differently. Try this scrub guys. Keep liking, subscribe. Bye bye.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.